Want to do more jobs faster? That's why we're introducing our new lighting design service, a game-changing solution for all your lighting projects. Let us take you on a tour of this new service. Our service starts with a detailed blueprint designed specifically for your project. We'll help you plan the perfect lighting layout by mapping out the location of everything you'll need, from the transformer to the fixtures. The blueprint will provide you with clear guidance on where each transformer and fixture should be installed. This ensures that your landscape lighting design is both efficient and aesthetically pleasing. But that's not all. Our service also specifies the fixtures to use in each area of your landscape. From path lights to spotlights, we've got you covered. You'll know exactly which fixture to use and where they should be placed for optimal lighting effects. And to make your life even easier, we will build out a personalized shopping cart for you. With just one click, you can order all the required fixtures and accessories directly from our site. Say goodbye to the hassle of sourcing products and hello to a streamlined ordering process.